Hi guys, this is Shannon. Thanks for joining me. Now, when we want Google to find our site and love our site, one of the key important things we need to remember is to wrap our keyword inside an H1 heading tag. And what that H1 heading does is it tells Google what your site is supposed to be about. Now, Google will then try to figure out if the content on that page is relevant to that H1 heading tag. So it's very important that you always provide relevant, good content. But basically, the H1 tag is announcing, look at me, this is what this page is about. So it's very, very important. If you're using WordPress, you shouldn't have to worry too much about the H1 heading tag because your WordPress theme should be wrapping each of your post titles as an H1 header. But if you're developing your own website, it's very important that you make sure to include your keyword in the H1 heading tag near the very top of your page. Now, one way to double check and make sure your headings came out properly, whether you're using WordPress or not, is to go back and look at the source code of your page. You always want to double check the source code to make sure your headers came out properly. The question is, how do you do this? Well, across the browsers, it's different for each browser, so I'm going to real quick show you how to do it on Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and Firefox. It's very, very simple. This is one of my websites from a while back. It's a review website for an online educational program called ABC Mouse. I'm going to go to one of the posts here, and we're going to check and make sure that my keyword is in fact marked as an H1 header. Now, my keyword here is ABC Mouse Review. So this is the term I want to make sure is surrounded by an H1. Now, to check my source here, this is Internet Explorer. I'm going to go up top to View, Source. The HTML source code for my whole page is going to come up. And an easy way to check and see if you have an H1 tag and it's correct, click Edit, Find, type in H1, and Next. And it will take you down and highlight wherever the H1 tag is. Now make sure you only have one per page. Google doesn't like a whole lot of confusion. And in this case, it's correct. I have a heading 1, World's Best ABC Mouse Review. So my keyword, ABC Mouse Review, is correctly wrapped in the H1 header. Now on Google Chrome, it's a little bit different. On Google Chrome, what you want to do is come over to the drop-down menu on the right here. Click on this. Scroll down to Tools, and then over to View Source. Same thing. You can do a find over here. Same thing. Drop-down menu. Find H1, and it will show you where the title of the post is in fact correctly wrapped in an H1 header. Now Firefox is also a little bit different. We're going to go to Firefox here. For Firefox, you're going to go up to Tools, Web Developer, Page Source. And then it's the same information. You're going to see the HTML source. In this case, you can click Edit, Find, down here at the bottom, H1, and it will show you, again, the title of the post wrapped in an H1 header. Well, that's it. Pretty simple. Just wanted to make sure you knew how to double check your posts to make sure Google can see them properly the way you intended and get your keyword ranked higher in their search engine results. Thanks, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon.